Turns out we went the wrong way. If you're trying to go see Cedar Falls, you turn the other way, which we will find out as soon as we get across this bridge.
You wanna go for a walk? You ready to go for a hike?
Here in a second, I will look over the bridge. A little to my right, then once I look to my left, I panic a little bit. I'm afraid of
I just
heights.
freaked out.
Now we're going the right way.
Oh no. What?
Red.
You don't mind this one. The other one was metal and hurt his feet.
No, I said that because of the tight fit.
Yeah. They're all turning green, aren't they? Oh, wow.
That's pretty.
Oh, yep, it is. Alright, we're at Cedar Falls. My first time ever being here. Lived here 45 years. Okay, we're going to see if Jed will play dead at Cedar Falls with all the distractions. Good boy! Good boy, Jed! Charzy, you're doing good too.
That's cool. Is this a big boat?
Whoa! I got dripped on. That's a big step. Oh. Oh, poor Jed.
Okay, turns out right here, I wasn't 100% sure which was the path. It is not the one Michael was taking, it's the one Vanessa is taking. And I start out on the one Michael was taking, and then realize I need to step
Down
down.
here's where I need to be.
My legs are short.
My legs are short.
It didn't work out well. So make sure you take the lower part.
What part? Oh, the...
This is made out of rock. I got dirt on my bench. Gut.
Dirt on your Heineken?
Yeah. Now can I get up there?
No.
He really, really wants to climb, but yeah, $200 fine if you get off the path.
Like, if we come back this summer, this will all be dry.
We did end up taking the wrong path and ended up in a parking lot that we were not parked in, but it's okay. After about 15 minutes, we figured out how to get to where we were supposed to be. It was a great day.